everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a fall FabFitFun unboxing. I love getting my FabFitFun boxes and I got this actually I think about a week ago and I've kept it in its box. I did peek at it and take a few things out, but I thought that before I fully took it apart and dove into trying all the products that I would take a look and show you guys kind of what I got. So if you're new here, my name's Karina. I make videos every Wednesday and bonus videos occasionally on Sundays. I will leave my Instagram up here somewhere so you can go ahead and follow along. Post a lot of really just whatever I'm doing at that moment. So wake up, fashion, those sorts of things. So if you like those, then make sure to subscribe down below, hit that bell notification button, and why don't we just get on into the video. Okay, so let's open up the box and we will see what the first item is. Oh, stuck. Okay, so as usual, the box comes with the FabFitFun like mini magazine. Kind of goes through each of the products that were put into the box, and sort of it looks like there's some cooking videos and things like that. So that's always pretty cool to read. And then it comes with a card for a Luna bar. Enjoy $3 off one box of Luna bars on Amazon, and then there's a referral coupon for if you want to refer to a friend. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'll take up things as they come and then we'll go through it. So the first item I see are these Glam Glow bubble sheets. They're oxygenating deep cleanse mask for men and women. So I feel like this is one of those ones that like bubbles, like when you put it on your face it kind of like foams up a little bit. So those are cool to try. I'm sure Matt and I will give these ones a try one day. We love doing face masks, so this is kind of cool. I'm assuming you can buy them at like Sephora if you want to repurchase them, or I'm sure on the website, but always love a good mask. Next item is the Pharmacy Do-It-All Total Eye Cream. So let's take a look. It says a powerful moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. Reduces the appearance of dark circles and visibly improves brightness of the under eye area. So let's take a look. So this is what the package looks like. And then, oh, very cute. So it comes in like this nice little wooden, with a lid. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, it's like a green color. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is like a mint green. Doesn't really smell like anything. It's very creamy. I'll have to give that a try. Maybe I'll give it a try tonight and see how it works. I'm always looking for things to help with dark circles because my dark circles are really bad. So this is always a good shot to try. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so up next is the Blue and Capri Shower Gel. It says it has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. I wonder if it... Oh, it's closed. I don't want to open it yet until I actually go to use it, but that's cool. Could always use a good shower gel. You know, I always like things like this because if I'm putting together, like if we have guests staying over or things like that, we have a guest suite like in our building that you can sort of like book out for the evening. So it's always nice to give them some products to use because the guest suite doesn't come with any like shower gel or anything. So I love having things like this where you can put it in a basket. Alright, what is next? So next is the Luna Rica Cashew Butter. So this is the salted caramel nut one. I believe these are gluten-free as well. It says on the... Yep, it says gluten-free, which is good because I need to gluten-free, so that would explain why they gave you a coupon to use for a box, so that's perfect. We did get a beauty blender, which I already have tons of beauty blenders. I know my sister needed one, so I'm gonna give this one to her because she goes through them. Like, I'm pretty sure she eats them. But this is the tan colored beauty blender, so that's always nice. And this alone, like in Canada, the beauty blender costs I think like $26, and this whole box, like when you think of how much it costs, you already make it back with this one, so pretty cool. Next is Hydro Repair Day Cream by the Grown Alchemist. looks like this. So it's free from anti-aging, skin aging toxins, sulfate, no chemical, like whole bunch of different free from. So that's cool. It's like a day cream to put on. I guess I should have like opened this and seen what it was before I put my makeup on, but we'll give it a try later this week. I actually did also just order a whole bunch of skincare from Sephora, so maybe I should have done this video before that, but that's okay. So this is the Hydra Repair Day Cream. It's probably for like hydrating your skin, so that's cool. You get the under eye cream, like the eye cream, as well as this, which is pretty good. They're kind of giving you like a whole new skincare. Up next we have the Crown brush. I think this is one of the ones that we could actually like pick on their website, and I don't remember actually picking the brushes because I knew that I had, and then I actually ordered the Jaclyn Hill one, so I may just end up giving these ones away, but I might give this to my mom for like a new set of brushes because it kind of comes with everything that is needed. So it comes with like a fluffy brush, an angled brush, 2 like fluffy or like eye brushes, and then 2 more definer ones. So I think that she would probably like this one, and it comes with a really nice hard case so she can just put them in. And there is space, so if you do have extra brushes, you can actually put your other brushes inside this case too, and then it just like snaps shut, so that's good. Next is this Simply Whimsical hand towel. So I love this. How many does it come with? I'm gonna open it to see like how many towels this comes with, because I love getting hand towels. Okay, so it comes with 2 different towels, and they're like a nice gray color, which is perfect because it goes with literally any kitchen, like this would be for kitchen, but if you need a towel for bathroom, you could use this, but it goes with anything, which is perfect. Matt and I are looking for house stuff for when we eventually get our place together, so I'm going to keep these in the package, so that way we already have hand towels. So these are the Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel, and then this nice like gray pattern, so that's really cool. Next up we have the Cobra wireless Bluetooth earphones. So I'm actually going to be giving these to Matt. I have like wireless headphones already. I have Beats, and he doesn't have any. He uses like just regular headphones when he goes to the gym, so I got these for him. They're like, I got the black and gold one for it, but I figured, I was like, as long as they're black, like it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna give these to him, so I know he's really excited because I told him that I would give it to him after I did this video. So yeah, these are wireless earbuds. Everyone can always use like a good pair of wireless earbuds, so there's these. And then the last thing in here is the Alfred French press coffee maker. So I originally had the like teapot in there. I don't know if you guys have seen on their website. It was like a blue with pink flowers on it. It was really cute. But I don't actually drink coffee or tea. It's just like, I used to drink tea all the time. I've never had coffee, like I never drink coffee. I'm not really a fan of the taste. I love the smell, but the taste just, I'm not really a fan of. And so when I saw this, Matt had actually talked about, like my parents already have a French press, and Matt had actually talked about wanting to get into French press coffee. So I figured that this was perfect to give to him and for us to have for our place too. So it actually says, but first coffee. It's a really nice like clear French press, and it comes with this. So I'm just going to keep this, like I'm going to rewrap it back in the box for when we have our place, and then he'll be able to use this and try out some French press coffee. So I thought that was pretty cool. So that's it. That's all the stuff that I got in my fall FabFitFun box. I thought it was a pretty good, like nice array. Lots of things that I can give away as gifts, and some that I can keep and use for when eventually Matt and I get our own place. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Lots of skincare, so my skin's going to be well taken care of, which is nice. But so if you like these sorts of unboxing videos, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!